Ever wondered how being under the age of 35 might just open up doors to some specific bank accounts with perks? It's true. This unique privilege isn't one that's often spoken about, but it certainly exists and is worth exploring. If you're a young adult, chances are you're just starting to manage your own finances. You're dealing with student loans, entry-level salaries, and possibly even thinking about buying a house. In this hectic financial landscape, it's easy to overlook some of the opportunities out there, but don't worry, because today we're going to delve deep into this specific aspect of banking for the under 35. Every major bank offers several types of accounts, each tailored to different age groups and financial situations. However, many people aren't aware that some of these banks offer accounts with particular perks for those under the age of 35. These special accounts are designed to help young individuals get a head start on their financial journey. They can come with lowered or even waived service fees. They might offer higher interest rates on savings. In some cases, they even offer preferential loan rates or cashback on debit card transactions. Banks understand that young adults are their future, which is why they offer these extraordinary benefits to attract this demographic. Of course, like with anything, there are caveats. Not every bank offers these benefits, so it's crucial to do your research. Look for the specific age-geared perks, compare them with standard account features, and weigh the benefits. Don't just take a bank's word for it. Read the fine print, ask questions, and make sure you fully understand what you're signing up for before you commit. And remember, while these perks can be fantastic, they shouldn't be your only deciding factor when choosing a bank. Other factors such as the bank's reputation, customer service, and overall offerings are equally important. It's about finding a balance between what you need today and what you might need in the future as your financial situation evolves. It's a great idea to start learning about these options now while you're still eligible. The more knowledgeable you are about what's out there, the more informed decisions you can make about your financial future. So let's get started, shall we? We'll explore the different types of perks, the banks that offer them, and how to leverage them to your advantage. We'll look at real-life examples, answer common questions, and even provide tips for negotiating with your bank to get the most out of your account. As a young adult, navigating the world of finance can seem overwhelming. But with the right information and guidance, you can make smart decisions that will set you on the path to financial success. And today, we're going to walk you through what to watch for when choosing one. First off, there are some general considerations to keep in mind when selecting a bank. The world of banking can be a complex one, but it's important to remember that with the right approach, you can navigate it with ease. Primary goal should be to make your money work for you, not against you. This starts with an often overlooked aspect of banking, the monthly fees. These are the financial charges that your bank levies on your account at regular intervals, usually monthly. They can significantly erode your balance if you're not cautious. Thus, it is fundamentally essential that you do your homework and check for any such monthly maintenance fees. Are they exorbitant or reasonable? Are there ways to waive them? If yes, what are the conditions? Maybe you need to maintain a certain minimum balance to avoid these fees. It is in your best interest to know these requirements to avoid losing money unnecessarily. After all, no one wants to watch their hard-earned money drain out for not maintaining a certain balance, right? After you have a clear understanding of the monthly fees, the next area that you need to focus on is ATM fees. These charges are another banking aspect that can sneak up on you if you're not careful. It's essential to find out if there are in-network ATMs available for free withdrawals. Understanding these details can save you from unexpected costs down the line. Are there any limitations on the number of free withdrawals? Perhaps limitations on the amount you can withdraw? As a potential account holder, it's always best to have a clear idea about these to avoid any surprises down the line. Once you've deciphered the fee structure, you can move on to another essential criterion, that is, mobile and online banking. In today's digital age, banking has evolved drastically, and so have the preferences of customers. The vast majority of consumers prefer to carry out their banking tasks online. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that the bank offers user-friendly mobile and online banking features. Are they easy to use? Do they offer all the features you need? Can you access your account at your convenience whenever you need to? Having easy access to your account at your fingertips can truly be a lifesaver. Lastly, let's delve into the aspect of debit card rewards. Who doesn't love rewards? If you're someone who enjoys the thrill of being rewarded, then you should definitely look out for cashback or rewards on debit card purchases. These incentives are like the cherry on top of your banking experience. They are not just rewarding, but also a significant savings strategy in the long run. Imagine getting a mini gift with every purchase you make. It is simply an amazing feeling. In conclusion, choosing a bank is not a decision to be taken lightly. After all, it's where your money will be held and managed. So do your research, ask questions, and make an informed decision. And let's not forget about debit card rewards. If you're someone who loves rewards, look for cashback or rewards programs on debit card purchases. It's like getting a mini gift with every purchase. Now, what about those under 35 perks? This is a question that many young adults often ask as they venture into the world of finance and banking. The financial world, a realm of great complexity and seemingly endless options, can be particularly intimidating to those just starting out. But there's good news for the younger demographic, specifically those who fall under the age of 35. Some banks provide special benefits that are tailor-made to cater for their financial needs. The foremost of these is the privilege of special high-interest savings accounts. But what does that mean? Essentially, these accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. This means that if you deposit money into these accounts, your money will grow at a much faster rate than it would in a standard account. In an era where the cost of living is constantly rising, these high-interest accounts can present an opportunity to kickstart your savings and secure your financial future. This is not just a minor perk, but a significant advantage. It's a strategic approach by banks to encourage financial responsibility among young adults. With this, banks are essentially saying, we understand that you're at a crucial turning point in your life. We're here to help you maximize your savings. We're willing to provide incentives to help you do so. You might also find other perks such as banks waiving the minimum balance requirements, which can be an additional relief. Most banks enforce a minimum balance requirement to maintain a savings account, which can be a burden for those who are just starting out on their professional journey. But for those under 35, some banks are willing to forego this requirement. This can be a huge relief for those who are still in the process of building their financial stability. These are not the only perks out there, and it's always worth exploring your options. The financial world might be complex, but it's also filled with opportunities and advantages for those who are willing to navigate it. It's always worth checking. So, how do you find the best fit? Start by shopping around. Compare rates, fees, and features offered by different banks. Each bank is unique, and so are their offerings. Then, consider your needs. Decide what's most important to you, whether it's low fees, high interest rates, or mobile banking features. And always read the fine print. Understand all terms and conditions before opening an account. It might seem tedious, but it's crucial to avoid any misunderstandings or unexpected fees. And here's a bonus tip. If you're a student, see if your bank offers student checking or savings accounts with even better benefits. It's like hitting the jackpot. So, just to recap, when choosing a bank account, check for monthly fees, ATM fees, mobile and online banking, and debit card rewards. If you're under 35, look out for high-interest savings and minimum balance waivers. Shop around, consider your needs, and read the fine print. And don't forget about those student accounts if you're still studying. Remember, your bank account is more than just a place to store your money. It's a tool that can help you manage and grow your finances. Choose wisely,